our first kitchen renovation, and we're actually working with Kaboodle Kitchen to give this all a bit of a facelift. We are so excited to see it come together. So today, the old kitchen is getting all ripped out. We're getting rid of the carcasses, stone, everything. So because this kitchen is really nice and long, we've decided to keep the current layout and just change a few little things. So we're making the laundry a butler's pantry and a laundry as well. This used to be super enclosed. They had cupboards all the way up to here, and it wasn't really maximizing the laundry space. So we've gutted all of this out, and that is going to be for our walk-in pantry, and then this is going to be our laundry. And we're using Kaboodle cabinetry and bench tops in here, and then out in the kitchen we're using Kaboodle cupboards, and we're getting a really nice marble bench top. And we also have a really cool feature. If you know me and Brandon, you know we love our coffee, so I'll flick it over to him to tell you all about our coffee station plans.
We used to have our coffee station here, but now we're ripping out the cabinetry and extending the stone bench top, and then we'll have Kaboodle's floating shelves to just give that a nice touch.
Has arrived, and tomorrow it's getting put together, and we're so excited. So I wanted to show you guys, look, we've got so many boxes at the moment all around the house. And I wanted to also show you some of our inspo. So on the screen you'll see this is kind of the inspiration. We wanted a really nice classic white look with some gold. So going from the inspo in the photos, we went with these really nice worn gold Salento handles from Kaboodle. We're obsessed, and we think they're gonna look so good with the cabinetry. And then the range we went with is the Alpine range in the color Macaron, which is a really nice white. This actually has a protective film on it, so it's quite shiny at the moment. But yeah, we're really excited, and we'll keep you updated.
Hey guys, welcome to our new Kaboodle kitchen. We've finally finished our kitchen renovation, and we're excited to take you around.
So for our kitchen, we really wanted a really light, bright and white vibe with just touches of gold, really simple and classic. The cabinetry we went with is the Alpine range by Kaboodle in the color Macaron, which is a really nice fresh white. And one of our favorite things actually, which makes it feel really high-end and luxe, is that all the drawers are soft close, as you can see. And then an awesome hack that we loved. Our house is quite small, so we wanted to maximize the space of the kitchen. So on the back of our island, we have all these hidden cupboards for extra storage, as well as all these cupboards. So yeah, having a huge island, this is 1.2 meters, has really helped us get those cupboards in to have more space. And with the stone, we actually chose our own stone. Something I love about Kaboodle is you can just customize things. We have gone with one of their bench tops in the butlers and laundry.
This is definitely my favorite part of the kitchen. It's always been a dream of mine to have a coffee station, and Kaboodle have just done an amazing job. This is actually one of my favorite features. It actually has such a nice flow because it matches our countertop in our butler's pantry. So yeah, they've done a really amazing job, and I feel like it just brings out this whole area a lot better than what it was before.
And then we also have our awesome butler's pantry and laundry, and we really wanted to have a space where we could come, make breakfast, leave our mess here. When we've got guests over, just throw the dishes in here. So half of this is actually a pantry, and the other half is actually the laundry area, which we're so obsessed with. These shelves, again with the coffee station, we got these shelves, we cut them, stuck them to the side, and they also match the bench top. This is from Kaboodle, and we love it. And even the tiles, the gold, the white, the bench, it honestly all matches, and we're so excited and so happy with how it's turned out.